And we needed 8 bowls for this. It's tiny bowls for this. This is getting more interesting now.
Really?
Next is, what's next?
One mixing spatula. Spatula.
Where's the mixing?
There, very good.
I'm a true baker.
Those are all the ingredients.
Mom,
She helped us now kasi it was kind of hard.
Mom, look at that. Mom,
Looks good.
I put the ice cream in the multiplier.
Imagine yung mga mas malalaki, no? Tapos 3 layers, 4 layers. Nice. This part. We'll bring Ate Rox here. She likes to bake. It's too close.
If she's on time.
Yeah, we'll bring her. And if she's she's not gonna be sleeping all day. Alin?
Yan pong
Tip? Ay, hingi ka sa kanila. Kasi wala dyan sa ano eh. Yan! Yeah, Yana's decorating. The cake.
We're only gonna put it in some.
I did the piping. She's doing the decorating.
And
She's
then-
slay. For slay.
Can I be the one to also? I just need to remove all this other mess.
We are slaying it.
You mean we're? Never mind.
It feels weird to actually eat those pearls.
You're supposed to eat them.
I don't want to.
What's the point?
This is it. It's a selfie.
Cake.
Slay cake. Wait lang.
It's
Let's
a
show the
slay.
slay.
The name is actually Slay, but the name of the cake style is actually Selfie Cake.
Okay. There.
Slay.
Slay. And it's selfie because
Just me.
yeah. It's supposed to. Can I put makeup?
No, just for
Okay.
fun.
Try. This is
Do
oh.
we do small? or
I
big?
think we have to remove this. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye. That's why it's selfie. It's only because of that.
Let's
It's selfie.
Let's celebrate. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Yay! Let's cut the
Don't
cake.
cut the slay part.
So we're gonna cut. How small? How big?
Yun lang, ganyan.
Just
Yeah.
cut the cake. We're gonna share a piece, okay?
Cut. I'll get muna.
We'll share a piece. Okay, so now we're going to try the cake
The
we made
cake that
in
we
Big B.
made, and then this is the ultimate test.
Okay.
Wait lang together.
I'm gonna just do a simple one.
Okay, cheers.
Mm.
Is
it sweet?
Just right. It's not too sweet. This is actually vanilla. It's a vanilla cake with buttercream and raspberry strawberry filling.
Yum. This is a pearl, guys.
Not bad.
The pearls are edible.
What kind of pro? Cheers to the big squad
They're a big duo.
of the La Cruz.